Running essentials you need to pile up for this year. Who isn't excited about getting new clothes for them for the workout? And you need to make sure that the pieces you are getting are perfectly in balance and also rightly fit, as you don't need clothes that are loose and sloppy, as this will cause you to lose focus on your regime. So get in touch with the best running wear manufacturers who are coming up with the best pieces of wholesale gym clothes that will not only getting you the best pieces for the new season, but the pieces are reasonably priced as well, which will give just what you need. Take a look at the pieces in store for you. Running singlets. If you want something that will keep you breathy and will also be something that you can wear for long, then you need to take a look at these running singlet pieces. They come in a ton of different colors and design patches that will help you put on a different look every time. Running joggers. Wear these to bar with a jacket and see the bouncer scratching the bald patch, only to review the no casual wear policy, as these joggers are perfect for your sporty look as well as for a look that is